मिल जाएगा. Yo, what's up, man? Let's do this. So you can see this time. It's all the night here. You see? Yeah. Why? Because the time is like 6 o'clock now. This is UAE, and I have to go event. Yes, and I am already late, so I have to go early. Yes. Let me continue my vlog. Okay. This is the Mall of Emirates. You can see it's not open, but you can go inside the metro or anywhere if you want to go. And my bus stop is there. You can see the bus is there behind the signal. Already my manager called me, Faisal, where are you, bro? You are late. Because 7 o'clock should be we are there in event, but still I have to go prepare the things and I will make it fast. Okay, yes, man, let's go fast. And you can see here, this is the park. People are coming in the morning time for the walking and little bit gym also they're doing here. Okay, and this is the construction here, the building, bro. They are making very very fast, man. They are doing day and night. Every time they are busy. Every time you can come here this place, you will see the building construction always have working. They never stop, and they finish like 1 year, 1.5 year, man. They finish very very early. Yes. And this is our bus stop. Where can I take the bus? Okay, and here bus coming like they stop 1 minute and less than 1 minute. And like that. Here coming so many buses are coming here because I saw you the behind my is small of them. That's the one, the big stop of bus. You can go anywhere. And this is time in the night. And here we are coming to go where event. Let's go.
Soy arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high. Feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual. Luna llena, shining down. Pies descalzos on the ground. Latido fuerte, boom, boom, boom. Take me higher, feel the zoom. Ooh, yeah. Break it down, feel the sway. Cerca de mí, don't run away. Tempo beats, let's ignite. Dance with me through the night. Baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual.
Till the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
You see this car? We don't have water inside the AC, so we buy this one. We are staying here. Our car is not working, like the need water inside the AC. Okay, we are here. This is this place. This is driving center, and you're gonna put this water here. Then we will go reach our place. And I finished my event, and I have to go home. First, I will go branch. I will drop the things, and then I will go my home. Tomorrow have again event. Okay, so I am selling goods. I go like a school. You see this one? Yeah. You see already, right? Yeah, there have the schools. This is all place of like school. You have too much school here, like government office, the schools, driving center. Okay, everything we have here. Okay, so we will gonna home, and I will eat it food because I'm hungry, and we will talk to you in home, inshallah. Okay, and I will show you what I will see in the road. I will show you. Okay, guys. Yes, let's do this. Yes, fun. Okay.
Any small thing you are doing video.
You do video of my car?
Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Street lights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero fell. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. At night, soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight.
Yes, I hope you like this vlog, my G, my guy, my man, my sir. Okay, next time when I go, I will make it more vlog and more introduce the places. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Keep watching. Yo.